In this video, we are going to find the equations of lines that pass through two given points, but it's a little challenging. It's not like the point slope form version of this if you've watched those videos before. And you'll see why in a second. Let's do it. So it says, find the equation of each line. I'm going to pass over to this side so I don't jump out of the camera. So find the equation of each line that passes through each pair of points. Now normally you'd look at this and say, well, I need the slope. We could do that, except pause for a second. Just look at the points. The y values are the same. So if I were to graph this out, let's just do that. 1, 2, comma 5, 2. So that would be 1, 2 right there, and then 5, 2 right there. What kind of line is that? I'll just kind of draw it right in here. That's, well, if I could draw a straight line, that's a horizontal line. So why go through all that trouble of figuring out the slope, picking a point, putting in point slope form, maybe converting to slope intercept form? Notice that it's a horizontal line and think, well, that means that the y value is always the same. So y is 2. So remember, that's my thinking. Y is 2. So that means our equation is y equals 2. That's it. And it makes sense because the slope of a horizontal line, y equals a number, is 0, which is clearly what that slope is going to be just looking at it. No rise, all a run. Let's do a second one. So we've got -3, 7 and -3, 4. Notice that the x values are the same. Now, while we could find the slope, it's undefined. Ugh, that's not good. Now you have 2 points. What do we even do with an undefined slope? Well, let's pause and notice the x values are the same. Let's plot them. -3, 7 would be -3 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right here. And then -3, 4 would be left 1, 2, 3 up 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Ooh, we got a vertical line. And a vertical line has one thing in common with all its x values. All the x values are the same. So no matter where we are on this line, x is -3. So x is equal to -3. So I think these are very challenging problems. They're nifty, though, if you notice that the x values or the y values stay the same, and I think visualizing them really helps out a ton. Awesome challenge problems.